Looking for a hassle-free way to navigate your screen? The best wireless laptop mouse offers smooth performance, reliable connectivity, and ergonomic comfort for everyday use. Ideal for work, gaming, or casual browsing, it keeps your setup clean and clutter-free. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Logitech MX3S. The Logitech MX3S stands out as one of the most advanced and versatile wireless mice available today. This feature-rich device offers users a seamless experience, whether they're working on Windows or Mac OS systems. One of its standout features is the Logi Options Plus app integration, which allows users to customize button functions and optimize workflows with app-specific profiles. This means you can set different controls for software like Photoshop, Excel, or your web browser, streamlining your productivity. A major highlight is the Flow cross-computer control functionality, letting users move between multiple devices effortlessly, and even transfer text, images, and files across systems, a remarkable feature for multitaskers and remote workers. The MX3S also introduces Quiet Clicks technology, providing the same satisfying tactile feedback as traditional mice while reducing click noise by 90%. This makes it an excellent choice for shared workspaces or late-night projects where silence matters. Additionally, it features an 8000 dpi sensor, allowing for precise tracking on virtually any surface, including glass. This level of sensitivity can be adjusted to match your preferences, making it suitable for both detailed graphic design and casual browsing. The ergonomic design of the MX3S ensures long-lasting comfort with a hand-sculpted shape that supports your palm and wrist in a natural position. The thumb wheel and customizable side buttons are strategically positioned for easy access without straining. The mouse also boasts impressive battery life, capable of lasting up to 70 days on a single charge. A quick 1-minute charge can provide up to 3 hours of use, keeping you productive without interruption. Number 2. Logitech MX2S. The Logitech MX2S continues to be a reliable and popular choice among professionals and power users looking for a dependable wireless laptop mouse. This mouse excels in providing smooth control across multiple devices thanks to its integrated Logitech Flow technology. With Flow, users can effortlessly navigate between up to 3 computers, copying and pasting files, text, and images as if working on a single system. This capability is especially beneficial for remote workers and creatives who juggle multiple machines during their workflow. The MX2S is also designed for efficiency with a fast-charging battery that provides a full day of use from just a 3-minute charge. A full charge lasts up to 70 days, reducing downtime and eliminating frequent recharging. Comfort and ergonomics are key strengths of the MX2S. Its hand-sculpted shape is crafted to support your hand and wrist naturally, promoting comfortable extended use. The mouse features a speed adapter scroll wheel that automatically shifts between click-to-click precision scrolling and hyper-fast scrolling for long documents and web pages. Side-to-side scrolling is also possible via a convenient thumb wheel, further enhancing productivity. Number 3. Logitech Lift Vertical Ergonomic Mouse. The Logitech Lift Vertical Ergonomic Mouse is a thoughtfully designed wireless mouse catering for users seeking comfort and healthier posture during extended computer use. Specifically shaped for small to medium right hands, this ergonomic mouse helps reduce wrist strain by keeping the hand in a more natural, handshake-like position. This 57-degree angle encourages better forearm alignment, which can alleviate discomfort during long working sessions. A standout feature of the Lift is its soft, textured grip and snug thumb rest that provide excellent comfort and control. The design is both functional and visually appealing, making it a welcome addition to any desktop. Certified by Ergonomic, the Lift mouse not only promises comfort, but has been rigorously tested to meet high ergonomic standards. Its performance is reliable and responsive, handling everyday tasks with ease. Additionally, the mouse features customizable buttons, allowing users to personalize functions according to their workflow. Eco-conscious users will appreciate that the Lift incorporates certified post-consumer recycled plastic in its construction, demonstrating Logitech's commitment to sustainability. Number 4. Logitech MX 8K DPI.
The Logitech MX3S for Mac is a high-performance wireless mouse designed to meet the demands of macOS users. Engineered specifically for Mac systems, this model provides seamless compatibility with macOS and iPadOS, delivering a premium experience for creative professionals and multitaskers alike. One of its key features is the advanced 8K DPI track-on-glass sensor, offering ultra-precise tracking on virtually any surface, including glass, which is especially useful in diverse work environments. This thoughtful design reduces fatigue during prolonged use, whether you're working, creating, or gaming. The mouse also boasts multi-device pairing, allowing users to connect with up to 3 Mac devices simultaneously and switch between them effortlessly. Transferring text, images, and files between devices is seamless, improving workflow efficiency. The MX3S is powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 70 days on a full charge, with a rapid 1-minute quick charge providing 3 hours of use. Number 5. Logitech MX USB-C mouse. The Logitech MX Anywhere 3S is a versatile, high-performance wireless mouse ideal for professionals and mobile users who demand precision and portability. Its standout feature is the upgraded 8K DPI sensor, which allows it to track on virtually any surface, including glass, making it perfect for varied work environments such as offices, coffee shops, or home setups. The MX Anywhere 3S introduces quiet clicks technology, reducing click noise while maintaining a satisfying tactile feel. This is ideal for shared workspaces or late-night projects where minimal disruption is important. It's engineered for Intel Evo, guaranteeing optimal Bluetooth connection without the need for additional dongles. The device also features seamless connectivity with the Logitech USB receiver, sold separately.